Hi Stitchers! In this video, we're focusing on one of the most rewarding techniques in embroidery, the satin stitch. We have a few sections already finished here, so you can see the end goal, a smooth, solid block of color that brings a beautiful dimension to your embroidery design. To demonstrate this stitch, we're using one of our Vervaco embroidery kits. These kits come with everything you need: the floss, the needle, and the hoop. The hoop is essential for maintaining even tension while you work, but it's also designed to serve as the frame for your finished piece. First, we'll pop the fabric into the hoop. You'll notice the printed lines on the fabric. There's no need to worry if your stitches don't cover them perfectly. The ink is water-soluble, so it will wash away once your project is complete. We've already filled in 2 of these circles, so let's start a new one. First, grab your instructions. Those small lines in the colored areas are your guidelines. One of the best tips we can give you is to sketch these guidelines onto your fabric with a soft pencil. Mapping out these pathways helps your stitches stay consistent, so they don't start to slant or drift as the shape fills up. It's time to grab our floss. Check the instructions to make sure you have the right color for this section. We're using a single strand pulled through the needle and doubled over. This helps the thread lay flat and reduces twisting, which is the secret to achieving that signature satin finish. To anchor the thread, we're going to tie a simple knot at the end and pull it down through the top of the fabric. The goal here is to bury that tail under our stitches as we go. This keeps the back of your work neat and ensures everything is secure without any bulky knots underneath. Here's another good tip to a perfect satin fill. Stitch your guiding lines first. Once those are in place, we work by halving the sections. We place a stitch right in the middle of a gap and then fill in the spaces between. This method maintains a consistent angle and keeps the thread from crowding or overlapping. We generally complete 1/2 of the circle first, then move to the other side. And here we are, a good-looking filled-in circle. Looking closely, you can see how those parallel lines create a beautiful raised texture. It really turns the flat fabric into a tactile embroidery piece and a beautiful home decor. When the shape is complete, turn the hoop over. We simply weave the needle up and down through the back of the existing satin stitches before cutting the thread. This secures the end and keeps the surface nice and flat. And that's it. By the time you've finished this pattern, you'll be a pro at the satin stitch. Search for this kit at your favorite retailer or feel free to reach out to us if you need help locating it. Make sure to follow us for more stitching tips.